We're a family farm, and it was started by my great-grandfather in 1910. So I'm fourth generation, and we've been milking our registered Holstein dairy cows on our farm here in southern Illinois for 111 years, every morning and every night. In terms of milk, real dairy is the most important thing that we're proud to be part of, and there's a lot of great milk out there. What might set ours apart is the fact that it's just from our cows. It's a singular farm, singular product, and it allows our character and culture to come out in the flavor.
So when we talk about farm to table, or in our case, calf to cup, the milk house represents the transparent process of bringing the milk from the farm, processing it, bottling it, and it's there for people to enjoy and to purchase. In addition, we've just expanded the offerings there to include milk house made ice cream. So all the ice cream is made on site from our products from the farm.
Well, I'm really proud to be a product of the land of Lincoln, and our farm's been here forever, and we're proud to be from Illinois, and the idea that we can be creative and make a product that represents the state is an honor that we hope to experience for a long time.